When you think of the dangerous wildlife of Africa, you likely think of lions, hippos, crocodiles, elephants, or any of the other stunning creatures native to that continent. However, animals are not the only dangerous wildlife there. In this video, I'll tell you about 3 fascinating dangerous plants native to Africa. Up first, we have oleander, often called rosebay. Once native to tropical and subtropical Africa and Asia, oleander has since been cultivated as an ornamental plant in several parts of the world. Oleander flowers are most commonly white or pink with a sweet smell. However, despite their attractiveness, every part of the plant is poisonous. Ingesting the plant can lead to nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, diarrhea, abnormal heart rhythm, dangerously high potassium levels, and death. Additionally, contact with the sap of the flower can cause skin irritation. Up next, we have Euphorbia poisonii, which is native to northern Nigeria. The sap of this plant is sticky and highly toxic, causing severe skin irritation on contact with skin and potential blindness on contact with the eyes. Even breathing the air near this plant can sometimes cause throat irritation. The toxin in the sap of Euphorbia poisonii is resinifera toxin, a compound that binds with pain receptors in the same way capsaicin does. However, resinifera toxin is about 1,000 times stronger. Resinifera toxin stimulates the pain receptors it is in contact with until they die. Because of this, resinifera toxin is currently being tested to potentially create a treatment for severe chronic pain. Lastly, we have the castor oil plant, also called the castor bean plant. As can be inferred from the name, the castor oil plant is used to make castor oil, which is widely used for several medicinal, agricultural, and industrial purposes. Despite this wide use, the castor oil plant was once considered the most poisonous plant in the world. This is because it contains the toxin ricin, which is concentrated in its bean-like seeds. When ingested, ricin can cause diarrhea, vomiting, seizures, hallucinations, liver failure, kidney failure, and death. Additionally, there is no cure for ricin poisoning. Now, you may be wondering, if the plant itself is so toxic, then why isn't castor oil? The answer is because ricin is only soluble in water and does not enter the oil at all when the oil is being extracted. However, this does mean that the byproduct left over from castor oil extraction is highly toxic. This byproduct, which is commonly in powder form, is often lethal when inhaled in even small amounts. Inhaling ricin can cause difficulty breathing, chest tightness, coughing, nausea, and respiratory failure. Despite this, researchers are currently looking into using ricin in small doses as an anti-cancer drug. Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you learned something. If you liked this video, be sure to keep an eye out for future dangerous plant videos. North America is up next. Leave a comment if you would like a more in-depth video about any of these dangerous plants. Also, be sure to check out the NSTEM YouTube channel for more interesting content, or visit the website and consider starting a chapter or becoming a member today.